morning everyone. Welcome to Vanshika Art Studio. I hope all of you are doing fine. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and then we can start. Hello, good morning. So let's start by the time other people join in. Let me focus the camera on my table. So we will learn this today, how to make these roses with the help of sponge. So I have taken this sheet and folded it to make it a card like this. I will be using Fevicryl acrylic colors to show how a flower can be made with the sponge, and then I will show you how to make it with the pastel colors also. So this is my sponge piece. Now what you have to do is, you have to hold this sponge. First I will just tell you how to rotate it. Place it on the paper, hold it like this, and we have to move it in a circular direction like this, right? Hold it on the paper, then move it in the circular direction like this to make a circle. Now first of all what you have to do is, put the sponge in water. इसको ऐसे अच्छे से वेट करना है. Then just squeeze it. Like this. Now I will take the colors. I will take red and yellow. You can take any colors of your choice. Dip the brush and see, like this, on one side of the sponge just apply the color. You can use any colors. Okay. Now what I will do, just place it on the paper and we'll just squeeze it and rotate it like this. See? So the sponge size which I have used is 1.5 inch. It's a square of 1.5 smaller sponge size as well. It depends upon how big flowers you want to make. I will show you with this small piece also. Right, this is one flower I have made. Second, let's make it here. Just press it a little and just squeeze it. If you feel that the shape is not proper, you can again place the sponge and you can again rotate it. See, like this. Now I will apply a little more of yellow. I want a little yellow touch in my flower, right? Place it and just rotate it. Don't worry, I will teach you a little more about it. I will make more flowers, right? Okay. Let me make a flower with this smaller one also. Just dip the brush, take the color in the brush, apply it on the sponge like this. Take some other color, yellow I am taking with red, and apply it. Right? Now this is done. Let's make a smaller flower over here. Just rotate it. Just rotate it like this. Right? If you have any queries, please message me. See. Now let it dry for some time. By the time it dries, I'll tell you how to use poster colors also for making these flowers, okay? So these are my poster colors, red and yellow. I have taken Camel brand. Green I have also taken. By the time the acrylic colors flowers dries up, let's make the poster color one. So this is another card sheet which I have used. Let me do it on this other side of the sponge. My sponge is still wet, so I am not going to wet it again. Just take the poster color, dip your brush in the color and just apply it randomly. Okay. I will take little lemon also, lemon yellow color, poster color. You can take any shade of your choice, right? So this is, I have applied on color on the sponge. Now see, I am placing it and just squeezing it. See, okay, I am placing it, just squeezing it. Let me make some smaller flowers also. So let me wet the sponge a little. It has dried up. Applying the red poster color. Then a yellow one. Okay. Now let's make a flower over here. One here. See, I have made 4 flowers, 2 smaller ones and 2 bigger ones. Okay. Now by the time it dries, let's work on the acrylic flowers. They have already dried up. Now on this roses, red red roses, I can use either yellow or white or even black also we can use to give the shape. I am taking white. Now what you have to do is, see, make a small C first inside, right? Then make a bigger C on the opposite side of the smaller C. Then we will keep on creating the C's like this, just covering the whole part. Dip your brush a little in the color and keep on creating these C's. See, I'll make on other flowers also so that it's clear to you. Make a smaller C, then on the opposite side a little larger one, and then keep on creating these C's on all the sides. See, like this. Let's make this another one also with white. Then I will use some other color to complete my roses. It's very simple. You just have to make the C's on all sides to cover the rose. Okay, let me use the yellow color in the smaller flowers. Dip the tip of your brush. See, the smaller C, then a little bigger, then a little bigger. See, this is how it looks like. Okay, let me show you the small C once again. See, make a smaller C like this, then cover the smaller C from the opposite side like this, then keep on creating the C's with the help of the tip of your brush. I'm making a greeting card. You can even do it on your fabrics also with the same technique. See, somewhere you make thick C's, somewhere you make thin lines. Any questions so far? I hope this is clear to you. Making of C, we will make the C's in the poster color roses also, so it will be more clear to you. Now I will keep it to dry. Taking this poster color one, let us do it with black. Let us make C's with black color. Dip your brush, take the color on the tip, bigger seed, then a bigger one, I hope you are able to see it. Like this. Now let's do it again, the same process. Small seed, then a bigger seed, then again a small seed, then bigger one. So as you go towards the outer side, make your seeds a little bigger. Let's complete it. See, this is the final look of the roses. Let me show you both of them together. This one is the poster color one, and this one is the acrylic colors. Now we will make the leaves. Let me take the acrylic color one first. By the time poster color dries up, so these are the kind of leaves we will make. You can make any style of the leaves. I'll show you how. I'm taking acrylic green. I'm using Fevicryl brand over here. Just wet your brush a little, clean it, fill the brush with the color like this. Okay, now what you have to do, you can make leaves random anywhere. Just move it like this and like this. Again I am taking, do it like this, like this. Let me take little yellow also. See, this is one style. Let me show you again, and then I will show how to do with the other style. Make a curve like this, then from the opposite side go like this, and you can fill it inside, right? The second style is from the top to bottom technique, like this and this, like this and this. Fill your brush from the tip, one side this and then like second side this. So this is a different shape of leaves that has been created, right? You can mix yellow also, or you can simply use green. See, up to down, up to down, up to down, up to down. Now let's create more leaves. I will use both the techniques, down to top. So So this is down to top. These are very simple. Once you do it, you will get a hands-on this. And this one, another style what I've told you is top to bottom, and top to bottom, like this. Thank you, Rajshri. Let's make few leaves here also. Just random leaves, anywhere you feel like. Let me take a little yellow. I hope you are liking it. Okay. Let's keep it to dry for some time. By the time, let's take the poster colors one. So here I will make these straight flowers. Let me create a random line to make the leaves. Now same technique we will follow with the poster colors. Poster colors are a little thick, so you can add some water to your brush. See, see. Let me complete the others also. Just random leaves, no specific location. Take the color and move the brush top to bottom in the form of a C. See, like this, like this. One like this, one stroke like this. Okay. Okay, now let's decorate it a little. I'm taking this one first, the acrylic colors one. So you can decorate it with the sparkle if you want to. So I have these two kind of options. One is this Fevicryl sparkle glitter. So for this you don't need any gum. You directly have to just open it and just put it wherever you want. So it will, after once it dries up, it will give a glittery effect, as you can see in this flowers. Now here glittery effect is there. So I have used this Fevicryl sparkle glitter. It is a 3D outliner to give this effect. I'll show you how. See, even on the leaves you can give. Once it dries up, then it will shine. You can apply it randomly wherever you want. It's not necessary, but if you want to do, then I am telling you how you can do it. this way I have applied the sparkle. Once it dries up, it will start glittering. This is the one method to apply the sparkle. Another one is, wherever you want to apply the sparkle, just place any kind of glue on that place, and then I have the sparkle in the form of powder, and you can then put the powder on that glue, right, and let it dry, and after some time you will get a glittery effect. In this I'll do some black. I will give a tint of black so that it appears more beautiful. So in the leaves we can give some lines like this in the middle, so it comes out a little more attractive. You can make some stems like this also. Just decorating it a little more. See, this is the final look which I want to create. Similarly, in this one also, the poster color one also, you can decorate it a little more. This is very simple technique. You can make these cards for your mama's birthday, for anyone's anniversary, right? And you can write the quotations over here, even write happy birthday in this place. One more thing is, like some people find it difficult to give these strokes with the help of brush. You can use your permanent markers also to give this effect. So I am taking this brush pen. So with the help of brush pen I can show you how to give this effect. See here, I'll show you. On the sides I'll show you. See, this one I have done with the brush pen, and the inner ones I did with the acrylic colors. This one I did with the brush pen. So no difference, you can see. It's just whatever is easy for you, you can do that. Let me check your queries, if any. I hope everything is clear to you. You can message me anytime if you want to ask anything. There is a WhatsApp group also. I will share the group again with this video, so that if anyone has any questions, they can join that group and share their queries. So let's wrap up, and we'll come with some other new technique next weekend. Thank you everyone for joining in. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.